Saturday again. It's a warm one today. It's hot in the sun right now. It's about 80. We're going to be about 80. It's probably mid-70s right now. It's about 10:30-ish. Got old Red fired up. Let's go out and do the cam on the Jimmy today. Get that bad boy broke in. Hopefully Kevin's got a fan. Should. Something to blow some cool air over that radiator while we're running it at higher RPM. And yeah, see what else we can get into today. Still got to fix the lights, still got to do the brakes, check the bearings. Should probably do the diffs, change that fluid, but we'll do that. I don't have any gear oil. To see what oil is required. I got my little cheat book here, my little notebook, so we can take notes on stuff we need for next time. Got a few other parts, got the fan bolts, the fan studs, a couple of little things in here, and yeah, let's hit the road. Enough yakking, let's go to work. I've been waiting all week for this. Alrighty, we're out here at the Jimmy. Fan is on, studs are in, bolts are on, distributor's been rotated a tooth or possibly two, we'll see. We topped off some fluids just to get going. We're not going to run the cam in just yet. We're going to do a timing check, do a couple of starts and stops, and tinker with some stuff, check some fluids. But now that we got the water pump on, it should be a Coke.
Sprite.
That's right. This video is sponsored by Coca-Cola. Yeah, I wish.
Sprite.
If you're listening, Coke, just saying.
It's Sprite.
Well, it's Coca-Cola product. That's it, though. So yeah, so we got the belt on, little whirly gig going there, some fan action. Oh, did you have a box fan or something? Should throw something on this thing since it's like 82 degrees out here right now.
A little extra air flu.
Yeah, a little bit of excitement a few minutes ago. Had a little bit of a, I'm guessing, a domestic dispute across the street. There was a lot of back and forth on the gravel road, kicking up dust and spinning tires, and didn't hear a whole lot of yelling, but not a whole lot of happy people. And then they both left. So now I hear an airplane. No, it's probably Harley. Hard to tell them apart anymore. So yeah, we'll got the tractor in the way here, so I can't move you over much more. So this will be your part of your review for today. I got multiple cameras, so when we run the cam and we try to blow the motor up, hopefully it'll be on video. Nothing as exciting as with the funnel from last time, but no. Can't drive it yet because I don't have no brakes. Pretty sure we busted the right rear drum, so there's nothing inside right now. I think we had to take the drum off or take the shoes off or something just to get this thing to roll. It was locked up, so oops. Once the cam's taken care of, motor's, I don't want to say broke in. We need 500 miles of driving for that, but we'll go from there. But yeah, back in a flash. Okay, I have a cheap tachometer.
Assume it needs a ground.
Wiring up just so we can see what the motor's spinning. I was going to just lean it up on the windshield here so I can see it when I'm behind the wheel.
If you're lucky.
Or you'll just have to holler at me, faster, slower, overspeed.
Run some more wire.
Okay, actually can go inside. That's right in the corner there. That's all I need. Well, check this out. GMC keys.
I assume we need a ground.
I would probably find one.
I'm just gonna hook the power and ground up anyways, just for the heck of it. Just run it right over the battery, I guess. Actually, I don't know if I have enough wire to do it.
So a whole bunch of speaker wire in a roll in there.
Oh, yeah, we can use all that stuff. Yeah, let's go grab some.
Don't even cut it, just use the two ends.
Do the job.
I am going to do something real quick. I will do something real quick. Thought I was going to do something real quick. Ooh, Windows out of its track. Wonderful. First I probably needs the switch installed. At the very least it'll help with a little airflow. Tuck that in there. Also help with hollering and yelling at instructions. There are door panels I have to rebuild. Lock. Window. At least this one goes down on its own. It stays on the track. Okay. Kevin's grabbing some wire. We're going to hook up this little cheap tack just so while I'm sitting inside I can see what the RPM is. And turn the key off. Can't lower the tailgate window because I got that motor out. And yeah, Kevin's back, so I don't even shut the camera off. I put the windows down.
Wow, that works.
No, this one almost did. It's out of its track.
Really?
Yeah.
I guess I've never even put power to this, have you?
We did the windows shortly after we got it. We threw it over. I didn't crank it though. I thought about it. I didn't do it.
Tempting.
On the side, yeah. A little ventilation going in this thing.
Back window work?
No, I got the motor disconnected. I used the drill motor on the cable to lower it. I'm not gonna crawl back there to open it.
Can't even open the rear gate.
Out the window up. I can open the crack side window too, so I got airflow.
Wow.
She's in full summer mode now. Well, take the top stick.
Take the top off.
Almost drove the new wheels and tires off this time. Right there. What's the brake you better? Be another 8 to 10 months.
Alright, let's figure out the ground. I'm going to attach it to the battery. Is the terminal. Oh, actually. I'll just pull this off and put the eye on it.
Yeah.
Stick it on there.
To
13 and a half.
13 and a half. We should try to fire up one of these old motors you got floating around or something. With their stereos, it sounds like.
Cool ones. Okay. Well, I can make it so you don't take the bolts all the way out.
Yeah. Because they got the bolts on the right.
Okay. That's why I did so much to see
That's your brother's for. Sure.
the power, actually, you might be able to just stab it into a spot in the fuse panel.
That's a different one.
Big year for squares.
The bugs are going wild.
Bugs gone
Bugs
wild.
not wild. Let me get your flat blade ready here. Stuff? Really? Because the power windows worked. Damn it. Okay, we'll kick the video off for a second. We'll be back in a few. Okay, the big camera's rolling.
Double check, make sure everything's off the exhaust, you don't melt anything.
Okay, over here. You can see anything down below. This camera came undid already, so I think we're SOL for this one. Yeah, plugged it in.
Yep, screw it. Fire it up. Just let it idle so I can set this thing in close at least.
Fire it up! Is it empty?
I just don't have any light in it. Okay, car steering is probably dry. It just needed to be.
Check the level, right?
It's screaming now. Pretty good. It's aerated.
Throw a little bit more in there just so it's got something to suck on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a little bit more. Break it, drop a little.
Should we have any in here?
Probably not. Probably at the shop. Timing light sounds like it has power now.
Yeah, that's a start.
I don't know why a timing light makes a squealing noise.
That's to let you know that it's on. Oh, power steering fluid.
Ooh.
Brand new. No dribble dribble.
Yeah, because I haven't done that on the rest of the truck. The lines aren't backwards.
Is that specific?
It's just above. Oh, a lot of air in there, so it's probably good.
We can always check an ad as we're ripping her along too.
Yeah, I sure fired up and see if I can.
Fire up to tape number 2.
Should work. I get a flash every once in a while.
Ready?
Yep. Oops.
That wasn't me.
Do it again.
About 800 on tack.
What the hell is squealing?
Dry bearings on.
It's after you turn it off, something's like pressurized. Like,
Not the fuel lines, is it?
it sounds like it's up towards the radiator area. All the clamps are tight, right? Not leaking. Pop that out.
We're down a bit.
Kissing.
It's just all that unpent horsepower that's ready to rock.
EC shouldn't even kick on because it's empty.
Yeah.
Is it turned off?
I believe so.
Okay. Well, notice that. So, that's one thing we forgot to check is what this thing's supposed to be set at for timing.
Good book.
I'm at 10 right now. It actually, the idle dropped and it sounded pretty good there. So you can see I am still. Actually, I was probably good before. Jeez. As long as it's set right, you can just run it, not worry about. We can turn it back to the spot here once we get it all done.
Keep an eye on the coolant here.
Alright, so where would I find timing?
Any place you would not expect to find it. Well, you got timing.
Ignition timing.
Yes.
D6D42. Timing specifications for each engine are listed on the vehicle emissions control information label on the radiator support.
Yeah, that's gone now.
Actually, we do have it over there still.
See?
Remember, I took a picture of it.
I thought we scrapped that.
No, we can't.
Oh, that's right.
Thanks, freaking druggies. Well, let's go look at that real quick. Jesus.
Okay. We'll shut a couple cameras off here. Or you go look at that and I'll just shut these off and. Getting there, figuring everything out.